What's up guys, it's Shoot, and today I've been doing my coilover, and now I'm going to roll my rear arches, so I'm going to show you how to do that because it is pretty fucking easy. I've had fresh paint on this, so ignore that dent in the wing that's there, that was already there, but that arch is rolled. So if you look inside, yeah. So you see all this paint cracking off here? This is because I had fresh paint done, like when I bought the car. And Rob, the guy that's painted it, hasn't painted it right, so he's got to come back and redo like the whole fucking car because it's ridiculous how shit it is. As you can see, it's just flaking off. That's fucking fresh paint, that. Look at that. Shit. It's like people see a Honda Civic and just think they can be a cowboy on fucking everything, including myself. Oh, whoa. Fuck knows what's up with that. I'm gonna stick you up here because I've just literally had to fucking repair my actual wheel jobber, arch roller, because they come with a stupid crown on it like this with split pins in, but then if you go really low to the back it just strips the split pins and spins this off. So I've just put a nail lock nut on and dogged it up. So all you do, you get it set up to where you want it to start bending the arch. You need to have just a heat gun and just heat it up. I've got a bit of rust on my arch, but like I said, piece of shit Civic. So I know my paint's really shit there. So it needs to come and redo it really. Or I need to get it resprayed or respray it myself. So what a heat gun he's doing, he's getting warmth into this so your paint don't flake off. Doesn't matter in my case. No you do. You just wind it, make sure everything's tight, and then work it round like that. You won't notice it actually bending the arch. This side here is harder to do, so what I do, I wind that off a bit and then go back to do this side. So to get this bit here, all I'm doing, I'm winding it up as it's pulling itself. And then you should get rid of that lip, because this is the hardest bit, just this bit here. So I'm pushing down on it, winding it up and letting it pull itself up. And it seems to work on this edge. You can just roll it then. And there's that fucking nut again. Ah! Pile of shit. eBay fucking thingy. That washer's fucked off again, piece of shit. So if you're doing this, you could do it Loctiting that nut on before you actually start. It's just a load of fucking winding and then adjusting. You want to put it straighter so it's going to push the arch in then. Fucking hell, I got a sweat on. 12 minutes. If I can zoom up there. So it gets rid of the lip and leaves you with an inner lip. This one isn't as much as my other, but that should be alright to stop my fucking tyres hitting the top of this, because if you remember, they poke out like this. Can't see because I've got black gloves on. Retard. Yeah, you see more shit paint here. So, there you are. It's trial and error with eBay stuff. This arch is about the same. So, like I said, both sides have been sprayed. And the good old infamous wing that if you watched one of my videos where I took the bumper off, yeah, that happened. So, it's just a quick way how to roll your wheel arches. Use a baseball bat if you want, or just buy a 30 quid roller off eBay. Jobs are good. Rolling your arches, like I say, if you look down the side of the arch there, you can just see where I've pushed it a bit too far here, because I was a bit impatient like, but it's not creased. Any dents you do see, that's not a dent, that's just a weird fucking pile of shit mark. Right, you can even see end at paint there, it's fucking shit. Can I zoom into that? There, you can see the lip. That's like old paint meeting new paint. This paint job is shit. If you look down the side, you'll see it anyway. If you go in Mims, you'll see how shit the paint is on my car. So anyway, fuck it. Right, I've been Stu, and I'll see you in a bit.